Today's video is brought to you by Lasagna. Do you care? You should. Hey, I'm Dom, a recipe developer here at 12 Tomatoes, and we're back with not one, not two, three unique lasagnas. Spinach and artichoke, buffalo chicken, and French onion. The spinach and artichoke lasagna is inspired by the cheesy garlic bomb that is the baked dip we all love. We're gonna start with ricotta and cream cheese mixed together, and then add in spinach, garlic, Parmesan, and 1 egg. For our acidic sauce, or that tomato sauce, cook up some artichoke hearts, and then we're gonna blend it up with some vegetable broth and some lemon juice. Then we're gonna make a bechamel sauce, and then we're gonna add in a bunch of Parmesan cheese. That's our sauce. French onion lasagna is inspired by the famous baked soup. What I'm thinking we do is create a base gravy with caramelized onions, a little flour, some fresh thyme, Worcestershire balsamic, and then add in a good beef broth. Then we'll toss on those classic garlicky croutons, and then cover that with a delicious bechamel sauce. That's like French onion soup right there to me, I don't know. Buffalo chicken lasagna is inspired obviously by the dip, but also the chicken dish. For the filling for the buffalo chicken lasagna, we're gonna mix cream cheese, ricotta, and buffalo sauce. That is that cream base. But then for the chicken, we're gonna cook some breaded chicken in the oven and then take it out, chop it up, and toss it with some buffalo sauce and some green onion. Then we're gonna top it off with a blue cheese and cheddar cheese sauce. Where's my waiter? Thank you. Yum. Oh my God. Yum. I can taste the lemoniness in the artichoke. That cheese filling is classic and delicious. And the bechamel sauce is yum. Yay! There's a crunch. Oh my God. The croutons are such a nice little addition to it in the layers. And that Gruyere cheese sauce is splendid. Oh. That is fantastic. It tastes like buffalo chicken dip. It tastes like buffalo chicken wings. It's so good. We have 3 amazing lasagnas here. My favorite is this one. The buffalo chicken, cheesy, chickeny, acidic, yummy. The French onion is by far the coolest. Croutons, onion gravy with a Gruyere cheese sauce, so absolutely insane. Spinach and artichoke, it's good. It tastes like spinach and artichoke dip. It doesn't feel like it's breaking the mold of classic lasagna, but it's still craveable and delicious. Thank you for watching, and let us know, did we go too far? Tell us, did we go too far? Did we?